Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not on, it's actually Sunday today, Sunday, May the 29th, 2022, and I've told you earlier, on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, this is the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, May the 28th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Sudoku with 2 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. And it's time for the Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 4621. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. All right. And for 2 stars puzzle, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Which number can I pick? Come on. All right. Difficult choice. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. 9, 9. I'm scanning. 3, 4. Well, we have a pair. 3 and a 4 in the last row. 3 and a 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. 9. 7. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 9, 2, 1, 9, 2, 1, 9, 2. And look, with a 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. All right. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 7. All right. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, cannot continue with 8. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. Only place left for the 9 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 1. 1, the 9, 9. And a 7. Interesting. 7, 7. 3, 3, 2, 2. I'm thinking. 3, 1. 6, 6. Okay. All right. Yeah. 1. Interesting. 7, 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 5, 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And we have a pair. The 1 and the 5 in the third row. The 1 and the 5 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. All right. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh. I'm scanning. 1, 2, 3, no. 5, okay. How about the 2 then? Yeah, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2 in the first column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay. How about these missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. 6. Okay. 6. We have a pair, I believe. Yeah. The 6 and the 2 in this column. The 6 and the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. All right. Okay. So now we have the 9. 9. 2, 6, 4. 2, 6, 4. 2, 4. All right. 3, 4, 5 should be here. 5, 1, 7. I'm thinking. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this column. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Okay. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. All right. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Well, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in this box. The 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box gave me 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 3. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 it goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see the 4 in the second row, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers. For the numbers 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And yeah, definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.